How to change WhatsApp chat font style on your Android. So there's two different ways that you can do it. You cannot specifically change the font style of your WhatsApp only. In order to change the font style, you'll have to change the entire style of your system. For that, you'll need to get to settings, and then from here, if you scroll down and then tap on a display, here again, scroll down until you see font size and style, tap on it, and then from here, tap on font style. And in here, you can see currently it is on default. You can choose either of the available font size in here and change it, or you can simply tap on download fonts right here. And in here, you'll be able to find a lot of different font style, which you can download and use it. Like that, you'll be able to change it. But if you don't want to change the entire system's font style, but if you just want to change a particular text on your WhatsApp text, then what you're going to do is get to any of the random website. For example, I am on this currently a fontchanger.net website. In here, all you need to do is enter your text right here. For example, I'm going to write hello. Just like this, I have written my text. Now from here, if you scroll down, here you can see we have a lot of popular fonts from which you can select what kind of font you want. So for now, I'm going to go with this cursive one. So simply copy it just like this. It has been copied to your clipboard. Now go back and open your WhatsApp chat just like this. And all you need to do is simply paste the text right here just like this and simply tap on send. And just like that, you'll be able to change WhatsApp chat font style on your Android. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.